Hello, good day, good evening from wherever you are. Thank you so much for being present here with me. And my name is Sergio, and I'm going to try to get this channel as big as possible. And it's all about mindset and money, which I think both of them, they are very, very important. However, doesn't matter how money you have, if you don't have a strong mindset, you will be lost. And you will be living a life of suffering. So today, the preferred quote that I want to start with: I am responsible for every result in my life. If I want different results, I have to change my thoughts. And obviously, the consequence are the actions. So our thoughts are very, very important. And unfortunately, most of us, we have no idea. We have never been educated financially so we can understand money and how we can make usage of it. As you may know, I am a crypto enthusiast. And for me, the blockchain industry is very, very important because it's a public exchange of informations and things that is not modifiable, that is unhackable, that is decentralized, that is transparent, and obviously we can create some profits out of it. So before I start into talking about three coins that really can change your life, or at least can add them to your portfolio so you can reap some benefits, or maybe using their services. Because I mean, if you don't invest, if money doesn't work for you, then it's a bit difficult to be always going to a job and work for those money and then spending all money. So first of all, think about investing your money and then spending. This is a strong mindset. This is a wealthy mindset. All right, before getting into that, I would really, really love to leave me a feedback if you love this video and if you think there is value in it. Comment, like, and share with your friends. Yeah, so let's get in. The first project that I'm really inspired is shopping.io. So the coin is SPCoin. It's a very interesting project because it's a new project, and more to that, the first thing that we have to focus on when we purchase a coin is the next things: the news that we can see about the coin, the team behind the project. Then we have to see the market cap of the project. Then we have to see on how many markets is available to see, and maybe the total max supply of coins. So if we check now on my screen, we can see that Shopping.io sells at the moment at $228, is minus 13% in the last 24 hours. You can always go on the website. We'll get there very, very soon. We can see that is in Ether, on the Ethereum chain, and on Binance chain as well. We can see now the project started somewhere in actually in January 2021. So that means it's about 3 months young, this project, and it started with $1.72. Right now, imagine it's 200x in size, which is impressive, right? And then you can go to markets. When I entered the market, I think I occupied a position somewhere around 40 days ago. I purchased it with around $59. And when I purchased it, the only way where I was able to buy this coin was on Uniswap. right? You can see the progress. Now they are in another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 other exchanges. That means they are working on it. Now let's go and see what is this coin doing and what we can use it, right? So you can purchase products online with your cryptos. That is amazing because as they are new on the market, they coming with a new concept. They have deals with Amazon, Walmart, and eBay, and on their purchasing power, you can use now over 100 currencies. So it's for sure that is a very likable project. So many people invest and they use the service, because I haven't used it personally because it's only strictly for the American public. However, you can see here, if you stake on their website $3,000, you can get up to 5% discount. If you stake $6,000, you can get 5% on all your purchases, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and so on. So I can't wait so they can expand the market size in Europe and in the rest of the world. And which another thing that is very interesting, that they have news all the time. They recently added their coin on KuCoin, which is a very big exchange in the world. And more to that, they have 1 million coins. So this is the total coins that are able to see, right? So we have in circulation 9,077,000, nearly 1 million, but that's the maximum supply. We can see the market cap is 226 million and keep growing. So this is the first coin that I would recommend to purchase it and even use the service. Now going to the second one, this is amazing. Chain games. Imagine that is the first of a kind in the world, where you have competition between the e-gamers, and you can bet on who is winning the competition. Every participant to the game, they have loads of game already, and I'm not really such a game guy. However, I can see the potential, because the size of this coin is just mind-blowing. So you can have an idea. I will show you why I discovered this coin, and you will be able to see exactly what is the return on investment, right? So we can see here that it was launched with 1 cent in August last year, so it's like a 7 months baby, and now they have already a 71x at the market price. The maximum was 100x, the highest peak. However, now it's 71. But this is, I think, is only the beginning, because the same, I purchased it about 1 month and a half ago. Probably I purchased like 10 cents per coin. However, now the situation is way more different, because we can see now on the markets is already in other exchanges as well. And all of this is just gonna go up and up and up. So the first coin, the shopping IO, I found out about it from another YouTuber, and I invested at time. I remember it went down and then now back up to $228. This one, I discovered it on a launchpad. So this launchpad, I'm one of the members, and I purchased coins from there. But before getting there, I want to finish here so you can see the growth of this coin. This coin has an impressive growth. So it was launched somewhere in August with 4 cents, right? and it went down to 1 cent. October, November kept its price of 1 cent. December 1 cent, and then guys, January, end of January still was 1 cent. Imagine February still was 1 cent, and now, right now, the market price is 72 cents. So in 2 months, 72x, and this is just the beginning. One important thing is, don't you ever, when you see my video, or anytime when you see the coin, don't buy at the highest peak. Wait and analyze the coin for a little bit, because it can give you some heads up. It can give you some strategies to see how that coin is going to go up or down. Don't buy to the highest peak, try to get it at the lowest peak. So now they have opened on that website even staking. You can even stake your coin, and that kind of stake, it works amazing. I just done the staking, and 15% of all of the players that are getting into competitions, 15% of their fee, whatever they pay, is going to go to the stakers. I can't wait. In the near future, I will show you exactly how the stakes is working out, but I think staking is a very undervalued platform. I think all of us, we should be able to stake our profits and take advantage from those stakings, from our money, because our money is the highest energy, is the most amazing resource, because with money we can buy time. So that's why I think money are extremely important, but again, it's very important what we do with the money. Now, roughly, I'm going to go to the last one, so you can have an idea. Right here, I am partnering with a friend of mine. We are 50%, because to get advantage of the projects, we can see here, you have to have 4,000 trust swap coins. So now you can see all the projects that are being launched on the network, and all of them, as they are at the beginning of the pre-launch, they are going up very, very fast, and most of them, they have different capabilities and different usage for the market. As we are approaching the end of the video, please make sure you do your due diligence, because I am not a financial advisor. I am just a crypto enthusiast that I'm all in, and I love to go and see and search new projects, so I can invest and learn more about this industry. As you can see here, you have staking statistics. They're approaching the maximum where you can stake. So you can see here the price of the coin is 466. Again, you can go on CoinGecko, on CoinMarketCap, so you can see the growth of this project. But what is amazing is that with your personal statistics, you are able to participate in the early stage, the new projects. So this is obviously an Ethereum chain project, and you have loads of options here. But again, I said, this project again is at the beginning, and there is so much for them to do and to grow. Once again, this is it from now on from me, and I want to thank you for your attention. If you stayed to the end of the video, please make sure you subscribe and you wait for new videos, so we can so I can share with you more about my portfolio. Thank you so much, and I wish you an amazing day.